Hey, fabulous Deborah Kennedy Show viewers. How are you? I just wanted to share a few things. 2 years ago, I entered into the dating world. And boy, is it different. And online dating is a real learning curve for those of us that have not dated in over 40 years. So I'm definitely not a dating expert. I'm going to precursor that. But I have learned a few things that I want to share with you, my fabulous viewers. Okay. First rule, dating rules. Know what you want. Do you want a casual relationship? Do you want a relationship that maybe moves forward to something else? Or do you just want a companion? Figure out yourself, because if you don't know what you want, how in the heck are they going to know what you want? Figure yourself out. Okay. If the person that you're into and you're vibing with and you kind of like doesn't have the same feelings, move on. Don't waste your energy. There are so many more people out there. Just move on, check it, learn from it, try again. Do not, and I repeat, do not let your friends fix you up, because guess what? If it doesn't work out, they might not be your friends anymore. So, just a rule of thumb from personal experience. Okay. Don't feel bad about declining a second date. Because guess what? You're doing them a favor. You're not vibing. You're not into them. You're not feeling the chemistry. There is somebody else out there that you are gonna vibe with. So once again, don't feel bad. Move on. Okay, and be picky, but not impossible. I mean, we all have a checklist of what we like and what we would willing to settle for. But I don't know about you, but I'm sure as heck not perfect. So if I'm not perfect, how can I expect him to be perfect? But be very selective. Do not settle. If he doesn't totally get you and she doesn't totally get you, then there is somebody out there that is going to totally get you. Be patient. Okay. Full disclosure, like I said, I am not a dating expert, but I've been doing it for a couple years now. And what I have learned is that you just have to experience it, whether it's online dating or dating, meeting people in the airport, out. It's just about communication. It's about going out, having fun with really no expectations. Because when you start expecting things to happen and getting all excited and thinking, oh my God, this one might just be the one. Oh my gosh, and planting seeds in your head, it's not gonna happen. You will know when you meet the one. So I'm trying to share with you because I think really this dating is about enjoying the ride. You're not in a hurry. If you're in a hurry, you're desperate. Don't be desperate. Just have fun with it. And that is my dating advice for someone that is not a dating coach and so not qualified, but in the game with you.